Greetings, fellow mind detectives. Today, we venture into the intricate labyrinth of social dynamics where awkward silences lurk and anxiety reigns supreme. But fear not, for we're about to decode the secrets of social magnetism and shatter the illusion of the unlikable introvert. Do you ever feel like a wallflower in a world of social butterflies? Do you stumble over your words and retreat into your mind palace, convinced that everyone secretly hates you? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. The truth is, nobody actually hates you. It's just your social awkwardness playing tricks on your perception. And here's a little secret. Even the most charming social butterflies were once awkward caterpillars, but they discovered how to transform their social stumbles into social triumphs. So strap on your detective hats and prepare to uncover 9 mind-bending hacks that will help you blossom from a socially awkward wallflower into everyone's favorite friend. Are you ready to crack the code of social confidence? Tip 1. Reframe your thinking, mind detectives. Our first mission is to reframe our thinking. Negative self-talk is the arch nemesis of social confidence. It whispers lies like, "Nobody likes me," or "I'm a social disaster." But it's time to challenge those assumptions. Instead of viewing your quiet nature or quirky habits as flaws, embrace them as unique strengths. Remember, authenticity and genuineness are far more attractive than superficial social masks. So, repeat after me, mind detectives. I'm not unlikable. I'm simply warming up to my social potential. I have unique perspectives and experiences to offer the world. Repeat this mantra until it becomes your new truth. Tip 2. Master the art of active listening, mind detectives. It's time to hone our investigative skills. Active listening is a superpower in social interactions. It demonstrates genuine interest and builds rapport instantly. Resist the urge to dominate conversations or prepare your next witty response. Instead, focus on truly understanding the other person's thoughts and feelings. Ask open-ended questions that encourage them to share their experiences. Nod, make eye contact, and offer verbal cues like, "I see," or "That's interesting." Think of yourself as a social sleuth, uncovering the fascinating stories hidden within each person you encounter. You'll be amazed at the connections you'll forge when you prioritize listening over speaking. Tip 3. Find your tribe, mind detectives. It's time to uncover your social squad. There's no need to force yourself into spaces where you don't feel naturally at ease. Instead, seek out environments where your true passions and interests thrive. Join clubs, online communities, or volunteer for causes that ignite your soul. Surround yourself with individuals who share your love for books, art, music, sports, geeky fandoms, or whatever makes your heart sing. In these spaces, you'll find effortless connection and friendships that blossom organically. Remember, mind detectives, there's a tribe for every interest under the sun. Discover yours, and you'll find a sense of belonging that fuels your social confidence. Tip 4. Embrace small talk. Small talk. That seemingly insignificant mountain looming before every social interaction. But fear not, mind detectives. This mountain can be tamed with the right tools. Firstly, ditch the pressure to be hilarious or insightful in every exchange. Small talk is about acknowledging your surroundings, finding common ground, and creating a comfortable atmosphere. Start with simple observations about the weather, the event you're at, or a shared interest. Ask follow-up questions like, "What brings you here today?" Or, "Have you tried the coffee here?" Remember, most people appreciate genuine curiosity and a willingness to engage. Focus on being present and showing interest, rather than crafting the perfect opening line. Don't be afraid of silence either. Let the conversation flow naturally and organically. With practice, you'll find that small talk isn't as scary as it seems. It's the first step on the path to deeper conversations, and conquering this mountain will boost your social confidence for every summit to come. Tip 5. Body language speaks volumes. Mind detectives, even before you utter a word, your body language is sending out signals. It's time to become a nonverbal detective and master this unspoken language. Maintain good posture, stand tall with your shoulders back, and project an air of openness. Make eye contact with your conversation partner, not out of intensity, but to convey genuine interest and engagement. Offer a warm smile, a friendly nod, or even a playful eyebrow raise to show you're receptive. Avoid closed-off gestures like crossed arms or fidgeting. These can read as disinterest or nervousness. Remember, your body language is a powerful tool. Use it to project confidence, approachability, and a genuine desire to connect. With careful observation and practice, you can hone your nonverbal skills and become a master of social magnetism. Remember, even a small shift in your posture can make a significant difference in how you're perceived and how comfortable you feel. Tip 6. Laugh at yourself. We've all stumbled over our words, tripped on our shoelaces, or blurted out something completely nonsensical in a social setting. But instead of letting those moments send us spiraling into self-doubt, mind detectives, it's time to learn the power of the self-deprecating laugh. When you make a mistake, own it. A quick chuckle, a witty remark about your own clumsiness, or a lighthearted apology can instantly diffuse the tension and make you even more relatable. Remember, nobody's perfect, and embracing your imperfections can be your most disarming charm. Don't be afraid to poke fun at yourself. A shared laugh is a powerful connection builder. It shows you're human, you're okay with not being perfect, and you have a healthy sense of humor. So the next time you stumble, embrace the awkwardness, laugh it off, and watch your social confidence blossom. Tip 7. Be present in the moment. In our hyper-connected world, being present in the moment feels like a superpower. But for building genuine connections, it's essential. Put down your phone, mind detectives. Close those social media tabs. The real magic happens face-to-face, eye-to-eye. Give your full attention to the person you're with. Listen actively, respond thoughtfully, and avoid the temptation to multitask. Ask follow-up questions, share relevant anecdotes, and engage in the present conversation. Remember, social interactions are a two-way street. Put your energy into building the connection, and you'll reap the rewards of deeper friendships and richer experiences. Being present isn't just about etiquette. It's about appreciating the unique moments and individuals in your life. It shows respect, fosters trust, and creates a stronger bond than any digital notification ever could. So, put down the phone, pick up the connection, and watch your social interactions become truly meaningful. Tip 8. Celebrate your uniqueness. In a world obsessed with conformity, embracing your uniqueness is an act of rebellion. Mind detectives, it's time to celebrate your quirks, your passions, and your inner oddball. Don't try to fit into a mold that wasn't made for you. Your eccentricities, your niche interests, your unusual hobbies, these are the threads that weave the tapestry of your individuality. Share them with the world. Don't be afraid to be the person who loves anime figurines, writes sci-fi poetry, or dances like nobody's watching, because sometimes they aren't. Remember, the right people will appreciate your unique perspective and infectious enthusiasm. They'll find your quirks charming, your knowledge fascinating, and your passion inspiring. So own your individuality, mind detectives. Let your inner detective shine through, and you'll attract friends who value the true you. Tip 9. Fake it till you make it. The classic advice, fake it till you make it, gets tossed around a lot. But mind detectives, let's unpack this with a detective's eye. While projecting confidence is key, there's a crucial distinction between faking it and truly believing in your social potential. Don't put on a facade or pretend to be someone you're not. Instead, focus on cultivating genuine confidence from within. Practice your social skills, learn new conversation starters, and celebrate your small victories. Every positive interaction, every successful small talk, every time you overcome your comfort zone is a step towards authentic social confidence. Remember, it's not about pretending to be someone you're not, it's about believing in the person you can become. So, focus on progress, not perfection. Embrace the journey of social growth and watch your confidence blossom naturally with authenticity as its foundation. So, fellow mind detectives, have we cracked the code of social confidence? Remember, nobody hates you. It's just your awkwardness playing tricks on your mind. But with these 9 mind-bending hacks, you can transform those stumbles into triumphs. Reframe your thinking, master the art of listening, find your tribe, and conquer the small talk mountain. Use your body language as a social superpower. Embrace the disarm power of laughter and be present in the moment. Celebrate your unique detective-like qualities. And remember, fake it till you make it only works when you're building genuine confidence from within. Go forth, mind detectives, and weave your social magic. Remember, the world needs your quirks, your passions, and your authentic you. Embrace your awkwardness, embrace your individuality, and watch your social connections blossom like vibrant gardens. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep cracking the code of the human mind. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Mind Detective community. We're all awkward detectives in this social experiment, and together, we can learn to navigate the labyrinth of social interactions with confidence and grace.